first thing we're going to do is dress our hoop. And so what I mean by that is put the fabric into the hoop. It's called dressing your hoop, and we use the same kind of terminology when we're doing punch. So, Chelsea, you feel like my blue tracing line's too thick? Absolutely. We're definitely going to remove them at the end, and I sometimes feel like that too. I definitely find that if I do this step where I separate out my threads and unwind them and then group them back together, they just are so much easier to stitch with and way less chance of tangles. Trust me. And that has merged them into a decent size knot. So yeah, knot your thread off and then thread your needle. So I literally just make sure I've got a nice clean cut, a sharp cut. So I bunch my three threads together and give it a little snip. And I'm going to lay that loop. See, it's kind of hanging out that way. I'm just going to lay it over the direction of that petal so you can see where this is going. So now at the moment, I've got this loop of thread on the front of my fabric, and at the back, I've got my needle and thread. So thread reasonably firmly with your free hand. You can reach underneath and grab the needle and then gently pull it through to the back. Sometimes I do just give it a little swivel and just gently pull that slack. How much spacing do you give between knots? So I just, I basically try to make them so that they're kind of tender. Teresa, Cindy, yay, cool. Okay, so I just want to say first of all how amazing it has been today being able to go through the Facebook group and the messages I'm getting on Instagram and things and see all your progress.